Today we're going to be showing you how to replace the back tire on the VoltVogue E-Bike. The first step is to remove the battery. Lift it up a little, and it comes off. The next step is to flip it over. Okay, first we're going to cut the zip ties that are holding the power cord. This one, and this one. And then we're gonna unplug this that powers the motor. After you unplug the power cord, we're gonna go to the other side and take off the chain. And then we're gonna loosen these bolts. Okay. The cord is in the way. Take it off like this. And go to the other side. This. Like that. So then we're gonna lift up the wheel. It should come off. We're gonna remove the chain, and then it comes off. So then you take off the tube like any other bike. So now we're gonna put on the back on the tire. So the washer has to go right here at like a certain angle.
Aligned the frame. We put this washer first. Then we're gonna put the guard, check the gear shift. Then we put the bolt. Before you tighten everything, we're gonna put the chain. And we make sure it works. Looks like everything's working. So now we just tighten the bolt. And then we go to the other side and do the same thing. Tighten it. Then, after that is done, we connect the power. Push it all the way in. And we gotta put the zip ties back in. So it has a little hole. Put it in through here. One. And we do second one. Two. And we do the last one. and 3. And all we do is cut the zip tie. 1, 2, and 3. And you're good to go.
Here you flip it over, put on the battery, and make sure it turns on. And there you have it. Make sure to subscribe for more videos.